Good morning everyone. This is the second video of chapter 5, separation of substances. In the previous chapter we have read about the solid substance from the mixture, that is hand picking, threshing, winnowing, sieving and magnetic separation. In this video we are going to learn about the separation of we are learning about the separation of solid from liquid. Here you will not this is filtration, filtration, sedimentation and filtration. Okay, first will be sedimentation and decantation. We will study sedimentation and decantation first, and this will be the second one. Okay, sedimentation and decantation. Okay, first we will move that sedimentation and decantation. This is a separation of insoluble solid from a liquid, that is water. Okay, now we are moving towards the next one. Please see, please see, this is first of all, what is sedimentation? Okay, first is sedimentation. Before studying the sedimentation, okay, we will see the what is sediment. Okay, the process sedimentation, see, the process of settling down of heavier insoluble particle at the bottom of a liquid is called sedimentation. Again I am telling, the process of settling down of heavier insoluble particles. Here heavier insoluble particles are there, okay, which settle down at the bottom of a liquid, that is sedimentation. Okay, and what is sediment then? The heavier insoluble particle that settle down at the bottom of a liquid, that is called sediment. This substance is called sediment, and the process of settling down is called sedimentation. Okay, insoluble substances are heavier than liquid, can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Okay, now next process is decantation. Okay, you can see here, this we have sedimented, heavier particles have came here, and pure substance are in the upper side. Okay, so decantation. What is decantation? The process of pouring out a clear liquid from a vessel. This is the vessel, we are taking out clear liquid and impurities are downside here. So pouring out of a clear liquid from a vessel without disturbing the sediment, that is heavy, insoluble and settled particles, without disturbing it, pouring the pure particles, pure liquid, that is called sedimentation. Okay, here this process, whole process is sedimentation, decantation, and this process is sedimentation. Now we have our next term is filtration. What do you mean by filtration? Now the process of separating insoluble substance from a liquid using a filter. Please see here, this is the impure water. Okay, and this is the funnel. Okay, in which we have taken a filter paper, we are pouring the water. Now whatever impure substance is there, insoluble substance is there, they will stuck into the filter paper and the pure water or liquid will come down. That is the filtration using the filter paper. Okay, and this filter paper is a piece of spherical paper that has a millions of tiny holes. The holes of filter paper are so small that you cannot be seen with the naked eyes, but can be seen only through a microscope. Like we to separate using tea leaves from the tea, we pour the prepared tea through a tea strainer. Okay, tea strainers have wire. Okay, we will see tea wire mesh in it acts as a filter, and tea liquid passes through the small holes of the tea strainer and collects in a cup, okay, kept below. The used tea leaf, being bigger in the sizes, do not pass through them, and the leaf tea strainer are left in a do not pass through the tea strainer, are left in a tea strainer. That is called, this whole process is called filtration. Okay, our next topic is loading. Okay, our next topic is loading. Okay, sometimes what has happened, especially during the rainy season, water in the river, pond, lakes becomes muddy, and this is due to the presence of very fine suspended clay particles in it, and these fine particles are very light and take a long time to settle down. The process of settling down of suspended clay particles can be made faster by methods of loading. Okay, and this is done by rotating a piece of alum. You can see here, this is the alum, which increases the rate of sedimentation. Now, what is the definition of loading? The process of increasing the rate of sedimentation in a suspension by adding some chemical to it. That chemical is alum. Okay, here it is showing this is the alum by which all the muddy water collects in one place and the clear water is upside. Okay, this process is known as loading. Thank you very much.